It just saves you getting a McDonald's on the way home, but it's much better.
It's better than my salmon sandwiches that I've got in my sandwich box.
Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kembali lagi di acara HEPPY Internasional bersama Yunileisure Channel. Nah, hari ini cerah pemirsa, cuacanya enak ya, makanya saya berada di luar ya, di balkoni rumah karena nyaman banget, musim panas tapi nggak terlalu panas dan juga nggak dingin. Nah, hari ini saya akan bawa makanan ke industri lagi, ke perkantoran. Tapi masih sama, saya masih menjadi ibu-ibu catering ya, masih belum juga tahu karyawan di sana. Kalau yang perempuan seperti yang saya bilang sih udah tahu, tapi yang laki-laki pada nggak tahu semua. Nah, kali ini requestnya Ricci itu maunya nasi goreng sama sate. Nama juga ibu-ibu catering ya, sesuai dengan request aja. Saus kacangnya yang pasti saya nggak perlu repot-repot lagi sekarang. Saya ada Dr. Colin Peanut Sauce. Jadi bagi pemirsa yang mau order silahkan ke Tokopedia atau Shopee. Ini praktis banget. Jadi kalau mau masak sate, pecel, untuk bumbu cireng, cilok, rujak, pokoknya tinggal cemplang-cemplung. Untuk kekentalannya terserah pemirsa saja, mau yang encer mau kental, pokoknya dibuat enak aja. Nah, masaknya sudah selesai. Sekarang saya lagi nyiapin kompor dulu. Ini untung ada saya kompor listrik yang ini. Tadinya saya mau bawa yang gas ya, tapi takutnya nanti kehabisan gasnya udah berabe, nanti gak jadi. Tapi kalau bawa kompor listrik ini gak akan habis ya, guys. Nah, pemirsa, saya juga bawa woknya. Pokoknya banyak banget perlengkapan saya yang akan saya bawa karena masak nasi gorengnya langsung di industri ya, maksudnya di dapurnya itu nggak tahu di mananya, nanti saya temuin aja tempatnya ya, yang di mana bebas aja, nggak takut karena punya sendiri. Kok di kantor orang lain ya saya sungkan. Saya nggak tahu juga berapa orang yang datangnya, yang pasti saya bawa nasinya yang banyak karena nasi goreng ini berbeda dengan nasi biasa ya, apalagi masaknya langsung di sana kan aromanya kecium banget. Nah, ini udah bawa kompor. Sekarang saya juga bawa sambal. Saya tuh bikin 2 sambal ya, karena mereka itu suka sekali pedas pemirsa. Jadi nasi goreng yang saya bikin ini benar-benar spesial, nasi goreng yang bumbunya itu dihaluskan, nasi goreng yang berwarna merah. Nah, ini ciri khasnya nasi goreng resep orang tua saya, umak saya ini, karena kalau nasi goreng yang kalau kami ya, nasi gorengnya itu nggak pakai kecap dan nggak berwarna hitam, tapi berwarna merah dan pedas banget nasi gorengnya. Ini termos ini buat nasi. Ini udah ada nasinya di dalamnya. Saya pakai 2 termos. Oke, kalau gitu sekarang siap-siap berangkat. Ini bagaimana saya menuju ke sana pemirsa? Ini nggak diantar dari Ricci ya, karena kan masih perannya masih sebagai ibu-ibu catering. Saya pesen taksi aja, bawa barang-barang yang ini semua, langsung pokoknya datang ke sana. Oke, semoga hari ini nggak ketahuan juga pemirsa. Nanti kalau ketahuan berabe. Takutnya mereka nggak mau lagi masuk video, sungkan untuk berkomen. Jadi kalau saya jadi ibu-ibu catering, mereka bebas mau suka nggak suka, terserah saja. Oke, kalau gitu kita lihat reaksi mereka makan nasi goreng, benar-benar nasi hangat khas Indonesia.
Three, not too spicy, you know, like normally, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 spicy.
Spicy, okay.
Yeah, still warm, yeah. Doesn't matter, it's chicken anyway, keep those cool.
Jadi saya bikin dua versi, bisa yang tidak pedasnya. Not spicy.
Yeah, okay, you want to do that one first, the non-spicy one?
Yes.
This is non-spicy, okay.
3 people, it's not spicy.
And Stephen, yeah, so 3 people, not spicy. Not peanut sauce, then. One more plate, that's it, then we'll use spice.
Okay, now spicy.
Yeah, now spice it up a bit, yes, please. Well, a little bit warm. You can use bowls. Now we've got, you need 1, 2...
How many spicy?
4 spicy.
4 spicy,
Yeah.
okay.
Nice chicken satay sauce. Give it a go, kid.
4 spicy. Untuk combo kedua, saya bikin lagi. Ini yang versi pedas.
Spicy.
Oh, okay.
In other words, come on.
Everything alright, Sam?
Yeah.
You quiet?
And you're both quite good, you both.
No, not spicy.
That was great. Take a bit of sand on this stuff. I'll stick it all in this.
Alright,
One's on the phone, one's munching. You alright, Steve? Ideal. Yeah, 4 people with the spicy. No peanut sauce, Sal? Yes, I know.
Hello everybody. Is it nice?
Yeah,
Good. Is it spicy, Nick?
not really, no.
Not really. Oh, you're used to it spicy now.
You'll see, I've only just started, so
Yeah.
Yeah, we want a little one.
So enjoy. How's the food, Aunt?
Absolutely. It's really good.
So, this is nasi goreng
Yes.
with chicken satay. The nasi goreng chicken satay.
Yes.
Chicken is lovely and soft, isn't it? Ooh, soft.
Yeah. What I need is a honest opinion.
Honest opinion?
Yes.
Okay. Steve, what do you reckon? Good?
yes,
Oh, it's only alright. Spicy.
Is it spicy for you?
Not too spicy. Yeah, not too hot. It's spicy.
Spicy, yeah.
And we've got extra
it's got a
spice.
nice spice to it.
I like it. Like we've had. Do you want to try it? We've had different. We had more spicy than you.
Oh, that's the better green.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, just more red pepper and that. It's supposed to be a bit more spicy than we. Cool. It's got a bit of a kick to it. Yeah, once you start eating it, they're all behind it. Oof. I like them.
It's a big deal.
What do you think?
Perfect, thank you very much.
Do you like it?
Very good. I was munching and working. It just saves you getting a McDonald's on the way home, but it's much better. Very good. I'll come every week now.
And fresh from work.
Well, because I stayed out last night. I went to Morrison's and I had a pot noodle for tea. Much better than a pot noodle.
Oh. Yes, this is nasi goreng we call.
That's
red
really
rice. Is it spicy for you?
It's it's hot, but it's not.
It's not. Yeah, it's yes.
I don't. It takes a lot to make me say it's too hot. This is Is making me sweat? No, not yet. It's okay. It's just nice.
Yes, good,
Not nice people. The wife couldn't eat it because she likes. It's got to be really like anemic, but I like hottish stuff. And it's perfect.
Oh, that's good. Enjoy. Yeah. Is it alright?
Yes.
Spicy?
It is spicy, but I like it. It's
Good.
spicy. Yeah. That was
That's good.
spicy enough. Thank you. It's delicious.
Hello, Anne. Spicy.
No, well, it is spicy, but it's very nice and spicy. I like the crunchy bits on the top.
Oh, red onion.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's excellent.
Did you like that one? Yeah,
really
yes,
good.
yes. So good,
Thank you.
good.
It's really good, thank you.
Good.
It's better than my salmon sandwiches that I've got in my sandwich box. Thank you, Yuni. It's great.
And then
It's
my
really
pleasure.
good.
Peanut sauce. Do you like?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's good, good, good. Okay. Enjoy, Anne.
Thank you. You spoil us.
But anyway, the food's busting. Hey, go.
I'm getting the spice now, and it's nice.
Yeah. What did we have last time?
Rendang.
Yeah. This is nicer than the rundown.
Really?
Yeah. But it's not as nice as the banana leaf. The chicken and the banana leaf. That's our favourite so far.
Yes.
Or mine. But you reckon, Nick?
Yeah.
Yeah. So far,
yeah.
I think everybody who had the rundown, we all think the first one's the best one, the banana leaf one.
All right. You said last time is rendang the best one.
Oh, we've changed our mind since then.
Selesai masak-masaknya, sekarang tinggal beberesnya ya. Jadi mereka ini suka sekali sambal. Dua sambal ini habis dan dengan nasinya saya lumayan banyak dibawa nasi ya. Dan biasanya mereka nggak suka nasi, tapi kali ini habis.
So, nasi goreng, chicken satay, and krupuk. Getting fluent at these foreign languages.
What is krupuk?
These are called krupuk. This is Indonesian.
They're fish.
Yes, that's it. It is dried fish. Yeah.
I'm selling it on the shops. Krupuk noodles. I don't know what krupuk was. I think.
No, yeah. Yeah. Oh. They get the fish, crunch it to like a mush, then flatten it, and then just dry it out. And then it can last months and months. And also they just drop it in hot fat, and it comes like a crisp. Like that. I love this again. This is nice, this is. Is this nicer than the leaf, I think?
Nicer than the last.
Yeah.
The last one.
That leaf was nice, I went. That chicken in the leaf.
Yeah.
What she does do, she does a video and she shows Indonesian people what the English think of Indonesian food. So, here's why she likes it. It doesn't matter if you say it's horrible, as long as you're honest and truthful. So, yes, we like it. Thumbs up from me.
Don't like it.
Sorry?
Don't like webcam.
Oh no, it's not live now, it's just a recording. Then she edits it and just like shows. No, it's not live now. You're joking with us, lads? Where's she gone?
Just put subtitles on it.
Oh,
It's spot on again.
cool. Full belly duck. You got that, you like them, didn't you? You've got another. It's just back here. There you go. Oh, she got another camera.